Why do most online ads fail? Most people think creating ads is simple. Record something, post it, and sales will come. But the truth is, most ads fail because they don't grab attention. They look basic, they feel ordinary, and in a world full of content, anything ordinary gets ignored. Right now, people scroll fast. If a video doesn't catch attention in the first 2 seconds, they swipe away without thinking. So even if the product is great, the ad still loses. Most creators know video works, but creating high-quality video takes time, money, and skill. Hiring editors takes forever. Learning complicated editing software feels overwhelming, and monthly subscription tools just add more stress. So people settle for basic videos, and basic videos don't convert. But here's the thing. The people who succeed with video follow a simple system. Idea, create, publish, profit. It sounds simple, and it actually is, except for one step, creating the video. That's the step that stops most people, because that's where you need editing, visual effects, voiceovers, pacing, music, thumbnails, everything. And for most people, that's where the process collapses. The idea is good, the plan is solid, but execution feels impossible. Now imagine this. What if you could create a Hollywood-style 3D cinematic ad in minutes, without editing, without hiring anyone, without needing experience? That's where CineFX AI comes in. This isn't just another video editor. It's a fully automated cinematic creation system. You just tell it what your product or idea is, and the AI builds everything. The script, the voiceover, the music, the visuals, the transitions, even the pacing and effects. It uses advanced technology, the same kind you see in high-end film-level visuals, but makes it doable in a couple of clicks. No technical skills, no timeline editing, no overwhelm. Just type, generate, publish. Instead of explaining more, let me show you. Watch this, because this part is impressive. With CineFX AI, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting an entire cinematic ad system. You get scripts written for you, professional voiceovers automatically generated, instant publishing to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Support for over 150 languages, so you can create for any audience. And a full commercial license, meaning you can sell these videos and keep the profits. This isn't just software. It removes the bottleneck between your idea and the market. So here's the bottom line. If you've struggled to create videos that stand out, if you've wasted time editing, hiring freelancers, or trying complicated software, and if you're ready to create professional cinematic ads without the learning curve, then CineFX AI is worth checking out. Click the link below, watch the demo, and explore what's possible before the early access deal expires. Your ideas deserve attention, and now, creating content that gets attention is finally simple.